Hello, my name is Kevin Forshay. I'm the CEO and President at MyndTek Limited, where we develop a really awesome mental health management application called Data Driven Therapy. We've just released some incredibly exciting new features that I want to go ahead and give you a walkthrough and give you a demonstration on how to go ahead and use it. The feature that we've just released is actually the ability to integrate with approximately 500 different wearable and medical devices. So you can now use devices such as your Fitbit. You can still keep using your Garmin-based devices. You could also use, say, an Aura Ring, which those are pretty cool, as well as a plethora of other devices. If you want that entire exhaustive list, you can send us an email at info@myndtech.com and we'll be more than happy to provide that to you. So let's go ahead and take a look at how the changes have affected the system. So login and everything is still 100% the same. So go ahead and log in with your user that you usually log in with. Here I'm just using a test user here, so there's not a ton of data in here. So we go ahead and log in. Everything here is the same as usual. You get your notifications. Now what's changed here is when you get to the last step of your daily import form. I'll just go ahead and skip there now. You see that looks a bit different now. You no longer have to input your Garmin credentials onto this page. Nope. Instead, what happens is the first time you go to sync your data on this new system is you'll be directed to a page where you select the type of device that you have, whether it's a Fitbit, a Garmin, an Aura Ring, or a different device. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what that looks like here. So it's thinking here. It's going to take a few minutes here. I'm not going to go through that process specifically, but so then you go ahead and select the device that you have. Say if you have a Fitbit device, you click on Fitbit, and it'll take you to your device provider's login screen. You just enter your credentials with them. Now, we never see those credentials because the service that we're using is called Thrive. So once you input your credentials with your provider, it will just simply ask you if you authorize Thrive to receive your data. Just click on, there's two screens, I believe. You just click on Save and Submit that you agree to that. And then what that does is that actually provides us here with an authorization token that we're able to save in our system. And so then the next time you come in here to request to sync your data with your wearable device, simply all you need to do is just click the sync wearable device, and our system will notice that you've already given us permission to get that data. So we'll be able to just go out and import that data in from that device, and we will, as we get more and more data from this awesome service with all these additional devices, we will actually be enhancing our reporting features even further in order to give you a more precise and more accurate picture of your mental health. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.